Alright, we are doing the second day. I said the first official day last time. Second day shooting. We are in the beautiful resort. We're gonna shoot this staircase. Nice leading lines with our amazing model. Got the merch on again. Sporting the wear. But yeah, we're gonna use the 85 still. My first trip using this lens, so I'm getting the shutter counts with it, so we'll see how it pans out. Of course, R6 and the magical nano. Let's go. With the sun. Oh nah, this background is insane. That's insane background. Nice. Look at that quickly. Just have a put. And it's nice. It's like the black kind of stands out. That's nice. I can barely see my screen, so I'm hoping. Oh yeah, that's the shot. Perfect. Nice. Love that, love that. Nice. Love that. Nice. Hold that, hold that. Fire. Nice. Can you do something? I think I definitely needed this 85. It's so much different. I can get so much more in than the 135. 135 would be a torso. Still good, but see what I mean, 85, 1.4, that background's gone. Nice. Perfect. Let's get a bit close. Fire. Insane. Love that. Let me get some shots just here on the crossing. This is photos now. Come a bit this way. Yeah, right there, right there, right there. Oh yes, this is the shots. Nice. Ooh, fire. Nice. This lens is amazing. Fire. Yes. Look at this backdrop. Just like the colors, blue, got the orange, green. Look at that 85, mental.
reminisce on when you had your first thing.
Yeah, I know, do you know what I mean? Switching 24mm, gonna get some wide angle. Then I'm gonna get 85, you know, just for carousel shots. Nice. Love that. Nice. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Oh yeah, keep your head up, hit that just like that. Nice. Love that. Ooh, perfect lighting. Tell me like the light. Isn't it sick, isn't it? It's like it's almost studio lighting or something. Nice. Let's get some. Put your head up and like back a bit, just your head before. Oh, perfect, perfect. Nice. Fire. Love that. Oh, hold that, yeah, amazing. Yes, that's the one. And then kind of have your back to me, kind of looking over the shoulder. That's it. Yeah, that's it, perfect. Amazing. Let's go against the tree now. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Fire.